The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southern Dane County and south central Wisconsin until 8:30 a.m. At 5:34 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Several areas, including the city of Madison, have picked up 1 to 1.5 inches of rain in the past hour. Additional rainfall of 1 to 3 inches is expected in the next couple of hours. The runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fitchburg, Madison Capitol Square, McFarland, Middleton, Monona, Mount Horeb, Oregon, Stoughton, Verona, Belleville, Black Earth, Cambridge, Cottage Grove, Cross Plains, Deerfield, I-90/94 interchange, Maple Bluff, and Shorewood Hills. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding.